Hi everybody, Dr. Pingle here. I wanted to talk a little bit about enhanced color ramps for ArcGIS Pro. Now these color ramps can actually be used in ArcMap as well, but I'll be running this example through ArcPro. You can download these on the Esri.com site, so there's a link to this in the notebook, or you can just Google Esri Color Ramps version 3. To download these, you can just click on the link, and it's going to give you a zip file. So what you'll want to do is just unzip that file. What that's going to do is it's going to create a folder that looks something like this. So we have color ramps with this .style extension. We also have a text file that you can look at that describes a little bit about what these are. So the question is, how do you get these inside of Arc? It's actually quite easy. All you need to do is go to the Insert menu up on top, and you can see that there are a number of color ramps up here. What we're going to do is just import a new style. So you'll just browse to the directory where you unzipped these. And you can see that it's looking for these .style extensions. So here they are right here. So you can bring them in. So I'm bringing in the hypsometry here. And what that should let you do once it's in, still loading, is that's going to bring up some options up here at the top that you may not have had before. So you can show the names. So you can see that we've got continental Europe, South America, North America, and you can hover over them and you'll get some different information here. So this is for San Bernardino. Remember that you can turn on resampling to something a little bit more friendly to make this look a little bit better. And you can use all of the same symbolizations that you would. So for this notebook, mainly I just want you to try several of these. So you can look through these and see what you like. They're all quite different. And appropriate for different areas, and so that's why it's nice to have a selection. So for this particular notebook, you're going to be working with the hypsometry and the hillshade, but feel free to take a look at both carto effects and events. You may find those useful down the road. Thanks.